Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra. If you are new here, I really hope you subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash and go routine and how I get these curls here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's just get started. There's really nothing else to say. Okay, so my hair is literally dripping. I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair with this Run Pure Original Argan Oil Luxurious shampoo and conditioner set. I got this one specifically because it has zero sulfates, paraben dyes, I don't even know what this other word is, propylene glycol. Anyways, that's what I would use to wash my hair with. So the first thing I put into my hair is this Royal Honey Kalahari Desert Melon leave-in conditioner. And this nozzle is broken, so I have to like pour it out onto my hair. And I literally flip, my hair is soaking wet right now. And how I do my hair is I literally flip my hair over and brush it like this. But let me move you guys down a little bit because you guys are actually too high. Yeah, so I do my hair flipped over my head. I don't really know why, but that's just always the way I've done it. So I pour probably about a quarter size like in my hand. Put this throughout my hair. And I do this twice. Now comes the fun part. I have to detangle my hair. And I do this wash and go routine probably every 3 days. And I only comb my hair on the first day. So it takes a very long time to brush out my hair. As you can see, it's very, very long. Every other day I just finger detangle. So I'm just gonna speed through this, and again, it's always flipped upside down. I don't know why I do my hair like that, but I do. So now I'm gonna go in. I have hair all over my hands, hold on. Oh my God, there's hair all over this too. I'm gonna go in with my Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Detangler. And I put a generous amount of this in my hair. And again, I flip it over and I kind of focus it on the ends. And then in this middle section here, just because my hair is really, really dry there. And I'm like smoothing this through my hair. And then I go in even more, not as much this time. And this time I'm like more trying to rake it through. So now the next product I'm going to put in is some 100% pure coconut oil. And I use the local method, so I put a leave-in, I put oil, and then I put cream and then more oil into my hair because my hair is very, very dry. Take like this much, I guess. I don't really know. Then I rub it in my hands. Again, I focus on the ends first and then my dry section. All of the oil and cream products, I really make sure to scrunch my hair. So moving on to my cream, I use the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. Defines, moisturizes, and helps strengthen strands. And I take, I don't know, about that much. Alright, so then after that is in my hair, I will once again go in with some more oil and then just scrunch this throughout my hair. And I don't take as much as the first time because my hair builds up product easily. Sorry, I'm like squatting because this thing is so low because when I flip my head over, I like have to bend over. Yeah, okay, anyways. Alright, so that is it for all of the products that I put into my hair. And then I normally like barely part it. I normally just grab this section here and just kind of let it fall naturally. And I can't really see if the part looks good or not, but basically I just let it air dry for the day. So I will come back to you guys when my hair is like dry and is normal and how it looks. Alrighty guys, so it's been about 2 hours now and I'm back. My hair isn't 100% dry, honestly. Like the ends are, but like once you get to like this midsection, it's still like I can still feel it pretty damp. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a little update of my hair. But right now, this is just kind of what it looks like. The first day, my roots are the flattest, obviously, but they are also like still like very, very wet. So that's why there's no volume at the top. Okay, so that is my wash and go routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know how I do my second, third, fourth day, so on hair, just like this video and I can certainly film that for you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.